I'm here to see Maulana Muhammad Amir. He's a very well-known personality in Peshawar. His opinions are widely respected and always provoke discussion in this part of the country.
दुश्मनी को तो साबित करके फिर हमला करते ना.
How could you attack a whole nation without providing proofs, taking them to a court of law, following the dictates of justice?
ये अमेरिके वाले बुश साहब जो हैं,
Just by allegations and saying we have information, you've attacked a whole nation.
मतलब कि उनको एक दस में
He says it's injustice. That's the main reason. Their lack of justice.
उसने कहा काला आना मैं.
He gave example about Satan not bowing in front of the Almighty God.
जिसे पैदा हुआ है जो बड़ी चीज है.
And he says what the Almighty hates the most is arrogance. And what he sees in the United States is sheer arrogance.